This is Channel, the place where you can find everything you need to know about Ripple and XRP. Today, we're going to break down two big stories that are making waves in the crypto community. First, there was a big change in XRP today. 7.4 million tokens were sent to the exchanges Bitstamp and Bitsa. This caused a lot of talk about Ripple's strategic moves. This pattern, which is linked to Ripple's investments in these platforms, points to a bigger picture at work. Even though Ripple is still in court battles with the SEC, there is a lot of hope in the air as its price and open interest both rise. People still believe that investing in XRP will make them millionaires because the price is expected to rise a lot in the next few years. As we move on to our second story, Ripple is accused of manipulating the price of XRP. David Schwartz, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, CTO, has responded to these worries by focusing on programmatic XRP sales and sales connected to on-demand liquidity ODL transactions. Even though this is clear, the community still has doubts. Schwartz says that the main things that affect the price of XRP are not Ripple's actions, but rather larger market trends. A lot of the time, people tell me that they think XRP will make them millionaires. Today, I'm going to give you some more information about why this might happen to you soon. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below if you find our coverage useful. With your help, we can keep giving you updates and in-depth analysis. On February 15th, a big change was seen in the Ripple network, which is where our story begins. A huge 7.4 million XRP tokens were sent to Bitstamp, Bitsa, centralized exchanges, and SEX. These moves were not a coincidence. They were planned by a wallet that can't be identified because its address ends in RRZN. There have been other transfers like this before. The pattern has been seen before, which suggests that the same strategy is being used. Because Ripple has strategic investments in Bitstamp and Bitsa, these transfers happen all the time, showing that Ripple is becoming more important and popular in the cryptocurrency market. Coinlass, a platform known for its detailed derivatives data, showed that Ripple's open interest had grown by 5.71%, or $652.21 million. This made things even more interesting. This piece of information, along with a noticeable rise in new capital coming in, suggests that people are generally optimistic about Ripple. This is especially true when compared to the recent price spikes in the market. As of the most recent news, the price of XRP has gone up by 5.60%. Over the cryptocurrency community around the world has taken notice of this rise, especially since a number of well-known analysts have been very positive about Ripple's future. Both the market capitalization and 24-hour volume of the token have gone up by 5.59% and 4.49%, showing how much more people are interested in and optimistic about XRP's future. But there are some things that stand in the way of prosperity. The ongoing legal battles between XRP and the US, Securities and Exchange Commission SEC, have slowed its growth a bit. By selling XRP, Ripple is said to have broken securities laws by the SEC. However, even though a US district judge said last year that selling XRP to private investors did not break any securities laws, the case has gone to higher courts. A recent court decision that let the SEC see Ripple's financial documents may have made it harder for the company to grow right away. People often tell me that they hold XRP and are waiting to become millionaires. However, the goal of becoming a millionaire through XRP investments is still very much attainable. At a price of $5 per XRP, an investor would need to hold 200,000 tokens to get rich. An investment of about $104,000 would be needed to get such a portfolio right now. If XRP gets to $5, the investment will be worth 861% more than it was before. A well-known cryptocurrency exchange called Changely thinks that XRP could reach this goal by 2029 with a high point price of $5.66 a year. Changely predicts that XRP could reach a high point of $0.87,171,282 in 2020-2024, which would be a big increase from where it is now, over 67%. This story about how XRP helped investors become millionaires shows how volatile and risky the cryptocurrency market is. It shows how important strategic investments are, how regulatory environments affect things, and how big returns are possible even though the digital currency world is uncertain. Schwartz says that the main things that affect the price of XRP are not Ripple's actions, but rather larger market trends. Some people in the XRP community have said that Ripple is manipulating the price of XRP. People said these things because they thought Ripple was selling XRP to the market, which was making the token not work well. When these claims were made, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, CTO, David Schwartz, responded in a series of tweets, highlighting that Ripple had discontinued its programmatic XRP sales. In its XRP markets report for the first quarter of 2023, the company said that Ripple had only kept selling XRP for on-demand liquidity ODL transactions. Schwartz also said that Ripple has always tried to make sure that its sales have little effect on prices and that he didn't think that programmatic sales changed the market in any way. Furthermore, he inquired as to why Ripple would want to change the price of XRP. Even with these clarifications, though, some people in the XRP community are still not sure about Ripple's XRP sales. In response, Schwartz said that the company was not thinking about making any changes to how it sells things or how it uses XRP. He said that Ripple's original plan was to get rid of most of its XRP holdings by giving them away, but that plan didn't work out. Besides that, he said that Ripple didn't want to keep a lot of XRP for decades, but it wasn't clear what other choices the company had. Schwartz said that the main things that affect the price of XRP have little to do with things that are unique to the XRP ecosystem. He said that the regulatory environment, how the market felt overall, and how many people use cryptocurrencies were the most important things that affected the price of XRP. Finally, Ripple's CTO responded to the claims that the price of XRP was manipulated by saying that the company is open and works hard to make sure that its sales don't have a big effect on prices. But some people in the XRP community are still not sure about Ripple's XRP sales, and we don't know how things will turn out in the future. XRP's price was $0.56 at the time of writing, had only gone up 0.54% in the last 24 hours. Schwartz is still very committed to Ripple and thinks that the price could go up a lot in the next 24 months. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below if you find our coverage useful. With your help, we can keep giving you updates and in-depth analysis. Sum up today, we talked about the big XRP movement and Ripple's response to claims that it manipulated the price of its currency. These stories show how Ripple is strategically positioned in the cryptocurrency market and how the company and its community are always talking to each other. Don't forget that $1 million is equal to 1,000 coins times $1,000 each. Remember that our content is only meant to teach you, not give you advice on how to invest. We hope you liked today's show. XRP is finally starting to move up. We should keep going in this direction and get to $1,000 a coin. Watch this space for more news and see you tomorrow at XRP Lab.